Welcome back. So today's episode begins with Minu refusing to let anyone stop her daughters from enjoying themselves. Ignoring the family concerns, she turned the music up loudly, despite knowing it disturbs Juhi after Rajendra's death. To everyone's shock, Uttam slaps Minu. He explained that Juhi is deeply affected by loud noises and says she is now his responsibility too. He orders his daughter to clean Juhi's room, while Sanyam silently feels the family is behaving strangely. Later, Sanyam, dressed in his police uniform, finds Joey talking to her papa tree. He gently teases her before handing over Rajendra's wristwatch, which the hospital had written after his passing. Juhi notices the watch stopped exactly at 7:05 and calls it unfortunate moment. Sanyam comforts her by saying that no time is truly bad. He explains that although people live, time never stops moving. Encouraging her to wear the watch, he says it will always remind her of her father. When Juhi points out that the watch is broken, Sanyam smiles and tells her that broken things can always be repaired. His words leave Juhi inspired. Meanwhile, Uttam tells Meenu she can slap him back if it makes her feel better, and she does. He then reveals that Sanyam is a police officer who knows many secrets, so they must be careful. He also admits that his dream is to become a judge. Elsewhere, Suchitra criticizes Uttam for slapping Minu. Pretending to be concerned, Uttam offers money for Juhi's treatment. Minu suggests selling the family house worth nearly 20 crore, claiming it is their only valuable asset. Suchitra is horrified, but the family's financial troubles forces her to consider the idea. At Rajendra's office, Sanyam becomes emotional while visiting his late mentor's chamber. His heart sinks when he learns the office has been allotted to another lawyer and Rajendra's belongings are being removed. Back home, Suchitra tearfully announces that she has agreed to sell the house. Juhi is devastated, saying every corner of the home holds memories of her father. Suchitra explains that she has no other choice if she wants to secure the family's future. Remembering Sanyam's advice that broken things can be repaired, Juhi begins fixing Tanya and Sonia's room, refusing to lose hope. Soon, Sanyam informs the family that Rajendra's chamber is being cleared. Juhi, Karan, and Uttam rush there to stop it, but the staff explains that they are only following official orders. Determined to save her father's legacy, Juhi grabs Rajendra's nameplate and tries to go upstairs, only for Sanyam to gently stop her and explain that the upper floor is locked. The episode ends with Juhi holding on to hope, determined to protect her father's memory despite every setback. Thank you for watching. Bye.